Venezuela has the largest oil reserves in the world, even more than Saudi Arabia. As a wealthy oil country, Venezuela became heavily dependent on oil. Before 2008, when oil prices were high, Venezuela was a rich country, selling lots of oil and making tons of money. However, instead of using this money to develop their industries and economy, Venezuela provided a lot of subsidies to the people. At that time, Venezuela's socialist government that took over all industries, controlled the economy, and didn't allow private companies to grow. All the money was given out as subsidies, prices were fixed at very cheap rates, and making people happy. Everything seemed fine until the massive drop in oil prices after 2008. Venezuela, being overly dependent on oil, faced a severe drop in income and economic stability. This was worsened by rampant corruption, low tax income due to the lack of private businesses, and economic mismanagement.